Bridges, sir. Call Bridges, sir. Fine. This is your third chapter and it's a poem. Class 4, it's a poem. Bridges, sir. It's a poem. Sorry. Call Bridges, sir. Students, today we are going to discuss about your third chapter, that is noses. I hope you know noses. What is noses? Noses means naak. Noses means, I think you know what is this. This is nose. So we are going to discuss about nose. See the recording, please. So let us start. Let us read the poem first. Noses. I looked in the mirror. I looked in the mirror and looked at my nose. It is the funniest thing, the way it grows. Struck right out where all of it shows, with two little holes where the breathing goes. Now, second stanza. I look in the mirror and saw in there the end of my chin and the start of my hair, and between there isn't much space to spare with my nose like a handle sticking there. If ever you want to giggle and shout and can't think what what to do it about, just look in the mirror and then no doubt you will see how funny your nose stick out. And the poet of the poem is Alan Fisher. Now let us discuss. I'm going to explain you the poem stanza wise. I'm going to explain you the poem stanza wise. So look carefully. Come back to the first stanza of the poem. Noses. I look in the mirror and looked at my nose. It's the funniest thing, the way it grows. Struck right out where all of it shows, with two little holes where the breathing goes. In this stanza, the poetess Aline Fisher says that whenever she looks at the mirror, means Aline Fisher जो कवि है वो आपसे ये कहना चाह रही है कि जब भी मैं शीशे के सामने, व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय मिरर? मिरर मीन्स an object which reflects a clear image. एक ऐसा ऑब्जेक्ट जिससे आपकी अपनी इमेज साफ दिखाई देती हो, उसे हम मिरर कहते हैं. Fine, na? So in this stanza, the poet Ellen Fisher, she wants to share with you that whenever she looks at the mirror, mirror के सामने जब वो अपने आप को खड़ी होकर देखती है, she looks at her nose, वो अपने नाक को देखती है. आई डोंट नो व्हाट यू सी. आप भी खड़े होते हो सामने शीशे के या मिरर के सामने, तो सबसे पहले अपने दांत देखते हो या नाक देखते हो? व्हाट यू सी आई डोंट नो, बट हियर the poet is Aline Fisher. She is saying that whenever I stand in front of the mirror, I always look at my nose and find it's very funny. Funny means मजाकिया, बड़ा मजाकिया, मतलब बहुत फनीएस्ट वे में वो दिखता है. मेरा नाक जो है बड़ा फनीएस्ट वे में दिखता है, बिकॉज इट इज कमिंग आउट ऑफ आवर फेस. हमारे चेहरे से बाहर निकल रहा है, लंबा हो रहा है. राइट और रॉन्ग? राइट ना? यस. सो all of her nose is sewn and she finds the two holes in it to be strange. And the poet, she find very strange that my nose is stuck on my fats and there is two hole in my nose and which help me to breathe. Our nose help us to breathe. Means, what do you mean by breathing? Breathing in the sense means we take in air and take in oxygen inside and give out carbon dioxide. So breathing, this process, the process of taking air in and taking out is called breathing. And this through nose we can take in air, take it air to our lungs, and again we reverse back out. So it is called breathing. Now see the second stanza. In the first stanza, the poet is saying that whenever I stand in front of the mirror, it's very funny to see my nose. It's very funny. Whenever I see my nose, I feel like laughing. मुझे हंसी आती है जब भी मैं अपने नाक को देखती हूँ. The poet Alan Fisher is saying this. Next, I looked in the mirror and saw in there the end of my chin. You know chin? What is chin? Below your nose. This is called chin. This part is called chin. Okay. Now look here. And the start of my hair. Where does my hair means head? Hair means head. My hair starts on my head, and my chin is below my nose, below my lips, below my lips. Okay. I looked in the mirror and saw in there the end of my chin and the start of my hair. And between there isn't much space to spare with my hose like a handle sticking on there. Okay, in this stanza, the poet Alan Fisher, the poetess Alan Fisher is saying that where below from my head and my chin there is no much space, कोई जगह नहीं है, and there is a one nose which is stuck like a handle. Handle means जैसे दरवाजे में handle लगा हो. अगर in poem, whenever we compare a thing with others, then it is called simile. It is called simile. Like as light as feather, as sweet as honey. Yes, इनको हम सिमिली कहते हैं बेटा. तो अगर पोएम कविता जब पढ़ते हैं और किसी चीज की तुलना किसी से की जाती है तो उसको सिमिली कहते हैं. In this poem, the poet is Alan Fisher is saying that the nose is like a handle. The nose is like a handle on my face. मेरे चेहरे पे मेरा नाक जो है हैंडल की तरह लगा हुआ है, जैसे दरवाजे के हैंडल पे लगा होता है. Yes. Sticking. Okay. What do you mean by sticking? Sticking means fixed. Sticking means fixed. एक जगह पे स्थिर. Okay. Now let us see. If ever you want to giggle, giggle means laugh. Giggle means laugh. हंसना बेटा, आपको जब भी हंसने का मन करे. And shout and can't think of what to do it about. Just look in the mirror and then, no doubt, you will see how funny your nose stick out. In this last stanza, the poet Alan Fisher is saying that if you want to laugh, अगर आपको आप हंसना चाहते हो और आप जोर से चिल्लाना चाहते हो, you want to shout, and if you don't find any way, अगर आपके पास कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है, आप कोई है नहीं जो आपको हंसा सके, तो आप क्या करो? सीधे शीशे के सामने खड़े हो जाओ, अपने नाक को ध्यान से देखना, you will start laughing. Yes. या मुंह बना लो थोड़ा सा, या नाक को थोड़ा ऊपर करके देखो कितना अच्छा लगता है. You will start laughing. So the poet here, the poet is Alan Fisher is saying that if you want to laugh, if you want to shout, and if there is no one to make you laugh, then you just stand in front of a mirror and look at your nose, stare at your nose continuously. ध्यान से देखिए. Then you will find how funny is your nose. I don't know about your nose, but my nose, it's not funny. It's very good. I don't know about you. I think your nose may be funny, so you can start laughing whenever you stand in front of a mirror. Okay, so this was the poem. Let me read the poem once again. I looked in the mirror. I hope you understand the meaning. What is the meaning? I looked in the mirror. जब भी मैं मिरर में देखती हूँ and looked at my nose, और अपने नाक को देखती हूँ, it is the funniest thing the way it grows. ये सबसे मजाकिया तरीके में एकदम लंबा तोते की तरह बढ़ता जाता है. Struck right out there where all of it shows with two little holes where the breathing goes, and it is stuck, it is fixed on my face with two holes. इसमें दो holes है. What do you mean by hole? Hole means छेद. Hole means छेद. There are two holes and which help us in breathing. Breathing means सांस लेने में हमारी सहायता करता है. लेकिन मुझे बड़ा अजीब लगता है कि मेरी नाक जो है ना, मेरे चेहरे पे ऐसा लगता है कि हैंडल की तरह स्टिक करके पड़ा हुआ है. I looked in the mirror. Second stanza. I looked in the mirror and saw in there the end of my chin. What is the Hindi meaning of chin? This one. The portion of our face below the lips. The portion of our face below the lips. ओठ के नीचे जो है ना ये दाढ़ी. Yes, right. Yeah, दाढ़ी. Okay. This portion is called chin. And the start of my hair, that is the head, there is no much space. and it seems like the nose is the handle of my face. The poet is saying that ऐसा लगता है जैसे नाक जो है ना एक दरवाजे की हैंडल की तरह मेरे चेहरे पे चिपका हुआ है. Last paragraph again, students. If ever you want to giggle means हंसना, अगर आप हंसना चाहते हो कभी, and if there is no one who can make you laugh, then just stand in front of a mirror and look at your nose, and you will start, no doubt, you will start laughing, and you will see how funny your nose is. And this is the poem. It's over. And the poetess here, Elian Fisher, feminine gender. Listen carefully. Who was the poet of the first poem? C. Fletcher. First chapter. C. Fletcher was a male gender, and Elian Fisher, she is a poetess. She is not a poet. वो एक महिला है, इसलिए यहाँ पे poetess कहा जाएगा. And the poetess of the poem Noses is Elian Fisher. Fine. Now I have a question for you. Or if you let us read the poem without explanation. Let us read the poem. And students, those who are connected with me, please open your book and start reading with me. Follow with me. I looked in the mirror and looked at my nose. It is the funniest thing, the way it grows. Struck right out where all of it shows, with two little holes where the breathing goes. I looked in the mirror and saw in there, and the start of my hair, and between there isn't much space to spare. With my nose like a handle sticking here. If you ever want to giggle and shout and can't think of what to do it about, just look in the mirror, and then, no doubt, you will see how funny your nose sticks out. Elian Fisher. Okay, fine. Now, ready, students of class 4th, ready for question? If you don't have question, I have many questions to ask you. So, yes, class 4th student, if you have any problem, you can ask me now. Yes, the poet, the name of the poem is Noses, and the poetess of the poem is Elian Fisher. Elian Fisher. Now, I have a question. Yes, I have a question for you. Why does the poet feel that the nose is a funny thing? Respect yourself, students. Try to respect yourself. Don't respect me, but respect your friends. Yes. Please, don't shout. Batein mat karo. Try to listen me and try to answer the question which I am asking to you. Why does the poet feel that the noses is a funny thing? Do you have the answer? The poet feels that the nose is a funny thing because it grows straight with two little holes. The poet feels that the nose is a funny thing because it grows straight with two little holes.
सर आपकी आवाज क्लियर नहीं आ रही है.
बेटा आप लोग बात करोगे तो कभी क्लियर नहीं आएगी. यस, आप वीडियो ऑफ कर दो, आवाज क्लियर आएगी. अपनी तरफ मेरा वीडियो मत देखो, आप अपनी वीडियो ऑफ कर दो. ट्राई टू लिसन. सॉरी, आप एक दूसरे से बात मत करो. प्लीज डोंट डिस्कस अमंग योरसेल्फ and try to listen. What I am asking, my question is that why does the poet feel that the nose is a funny thing? कवि को ऐसा क्यों लगता है कि उसकी नाक जो है वो सबसे फनी है? वो इसलिए लगता है Because it grows straight with two holes. With two holes. Now, yes. Now let us see the second question. Why is a nose important for you? Can anybody tell me why nose is very important for you? Because it
We
helps us.
breathe.
Yeah.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, breathe.
Yes.
Sir, breathing.
Yeah. It helps us
Sir,
in breathing.
breathing.
Very good. Very good. It helps
Sir,
us in.
it help us to breathing.
It helps us
Breathing.
to. It now listen. It helps us to get.
Breathing. Breathing.
Now let me speak. You don't speak. You better speak. You mutter yourself. You mutters yourself. आप अपने आप से बात करो बेटा. Because you are not allowing me to speak properly and explain properly. So now let me explain you properly. Now listen carefully. My first question is that why does the poet feel that the nose is a funny? Fine. My first question is that why does the poet feel that the nose is a funny thing? I'm repeating the question. Try to listen. सुनने की कोशिश करो. बात बाद में करना. Discuss later on. Why does the poet feel? Why does the poet feel that the nose is a very funny thing? The answer is that the poet feels that the nose is a funny thing because it grows straight with two little holes. With two little holes. Second question. Why is nose important for you? For me, for you, why nose is important? Nose is important because it helps us. Because nose help us in breathing. Breathing in the sense to take in. अंदर हवा अंदर लेना और हवा बाहर निकालने का काम करता है नाक. It helps us to breathe in ear and breathe out ear. The third question, does the child in the poem like her nose? Why do you think so? No, the child in the poem does not like her nose. In the poem, कवि जो poetess है उसे अपनी नाक पसंद नहीं है. Because she think it is a handle sticking on her face. And she feel like laughing whenever she come in front of the mirror and look at her nose. Now there is some question for you, some meaning I would like to ask you. Okay, can you tell me what do you mean by mirror? Mirror. Let me tell you. An object which reflects a clear image of yourself, that is called mirror. Mirror एक ऐसी ऑब्जेक्ट है जिसमें आपका इमेज साफ साफ दिखता हो. There are some more meanings. What do you mean by funniest? New words. Funniest means very funny, feel like laughing. ऐसी चीज जिसपे हंसी आए. Breathing means to take in ear and take out ear. It's called breathing, means सांस लेना. Sticking means fixed. जैसे हमारी नाक जो है हमारे चेहरे पे फिक्स्ड हो रखा है, स्टिक. या दरवाजे पे जो हैंडल होता है बंद करने के लिए या खोलने के लिए, वो एक फिक्स प्लेस पे चिपका हुआ रहता है. दैट इज कॉल्ड स्टिकिंग. एंड व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय गिगल? गिगल मीन्स हंसना. गिगल मीन्स हंसना. So if you want to laugh and if you are alone at home, if you want to laugh, just stand in front of the mirror and look at your nose. You will start laughing. This was the poem. And who is the poet of the poem? Alan Fisher. Very good, Alan Fisher. And what is the name of the poem? Noses. The name of the poem is Noses. Which chapter is this? It is chapter number 3rd. It is chapter number 3rd. The first chapter, it was wake up. Second chapter was Neha's alarm clock. And the third chapter, that is noses. Do you understand? Okay. Now I'm giving you time to ask questions. So try to ask question one by one. Raise your hand. Those who want to ask question, raise your hand. I will ask. I will tell the name. मैं नाम बताऊंगा और वही बोलेगा. No one will speak and no one will disturb the class. And if you're disturbing the class, it's not my loss. ये मेरा loss नहीं है, आपका है. लॉकडाउन में वैसे ही आप एक साल जो पढ़े हो ना, वो 50% पे आ गया होगा. So we teachers, we are trying to level up your education so that you don't forget the things which you have learned in your past classes. So don't try to disturb the classes. Try to cooperate with the teachers and try to ask question whatever you have. So please don't disturb the class. Now, if you have any question, you can ask me. Yes, anybody who want to ask me any question regarding the...
Sir,
Yes.
sir, poem copy में लिख सकते हैं.
Yes, write in poem. Write the poem in your copy and color it. Color it properly and try to learn the poem.
Yes, sir.
Who is that speaking in Bhojpuri?
सर सारे लाइन लिखेंगे पोयम.
हाँ, yes, all. एक काम ये बताओ बेटा, if I give you an option, अगर आपके रास्ते में 500 के 4 नोट गिरे हुए हैं तो आप सारे उठाओगे या एक उठाओगे? हाँ, सारे उठाओगे. So likewise, learn all the sentence. Any more question? Class 4th. Some of your parents who are speaking in Bhojpuri that yeah, don't try to speak more. Yes.
Sir, इसकी drawing भी बनानी है.
As you wish, it's up to you. I can't force. मैं किसी को ये force नहीं करूँगा because girls they are good artists and boys I don't think they can draw. But if you are also a good artist, you can start drawing. बना सकते हो अगर चाहते हो तो बना लो. अच्छा बनाना चाहते हो बना लो. Noses बनाओ. But मैं wish करूँगा you draw your own nose. अपना चेहरा बनाओ और नाक point करना. This is Ayu's nose. This is Vansika's nose.
Sir, fair copy करेंगे या rough fair?
Fair copy.
Sir, fair copy में.
Yes, fair copy.
और sir, yes. Chapter 2 का question answer तो क्या करेंगे? पेज छोड़ देंगे उसके लिए?
नहीं अभी मत लिखना. Third chapter, don't write the third chapter. I will send or I'll ask our teacher to send you the question and answer of the second chapter. Sir, कल आया था No, I will send you. I'll ask your teacher to send you the question, answer, word meaning, and try to write down. Don't be ज़्यादा जल्दी में मत रहना बेटा. Okay.
सर लिखेंगे नहीं है.
आज मत लिखना. आज third chapter start मत करना. Don't start third chapter. Start still complete the second chapter first.
Sir.
Yeah, बोलो. Yes.
सर इसका सेकंड चैप्टर कंप्लीट लिख सकता है.
हाँ, yes. Those who have completed the second chapter, you can write the third chapter.
चैप्टर का क्वेश्चन आंसर नहीं आया है.
Okay, I will
Hello
ask.
students. Hello students, listen properly.
Now listen to Susma madam. Yes.
Hello students. Hello students. First of all,
Yes.
First and lesson second. First of all, you all have to complete your first lesson and second lesson.
Yes, miss.
Okay? Neha's alarm
Yes,
clock.
miss.
Yes. First of all, you complete the word meaning of second lesson, Neha's alarm clock, and question answer. Tick the correct answer and grammar portion also. Then you try to complete the third lesson. Okay?
Yes,
Students of class 4, please try to make a new copy for grammar. Don't mix up with English first. आप इंग्लिश सेकंड के लिए ग्रामर के लिए नई कॉपी बनाओगे. यूज पेंसिल टू राइट. यस.
हाँ, use pencil.
And
English
after completing the first unit test portion, syllabus unit 1 and 2 complete करने के बाद we will start grammar portion. So before that, complete first chapter, that is wake up, second chapter, that is Neha's alarm clock, and the third chapter, that is noses.
Noses.
Yeah. Now if you have any
Any
question,
problem?
Sir.
Yes.
No, sir.
yes, tell me.
Pencil लिखेंगे.
Pencil, use pencil. You will not write with your pen. No one will write with pen. Yes.
Sir, मैं लिखा हूँ.
Write down in share copy and write down with a pencil. No, English literature के लिए अलग सी कॉपी होगी. 2 copy for English. That is one is for first and one is for second. That is grammar.
मैं ये पूछ सकती हूँ कि ग्रामर का रिलेशन लिखवाया गया है.
Nothing.
नहीं, ग्रामर बेटा अभी एक भी नहीं लिखवाया गया है.
अभी कुछ nothing.
नहीं लिखवाया गया बेटा ग्रामर.
ओके मैम.
हाँ बेटा, बुक में जो है ग्रामर पोर्शन जो है इंग्लिश के बुक में मेरी बुक में वो
Susma
करवा दिया
ma'am.
है.
Susma ma'am.
Yes sir.
Susma ma'am, this is the recording is going on and your voice will be uploaded in YouTube. You better inform me. No, I will tell them instead of, because live recording is going on. Hey class, now don't shout. Now listen carefully. Listen carefully. आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही. Now listen to me. Right, take 2 copy for English. That one is for English first and one is for English second. Try to complete the portion which have been taught to you. That is the first chapter, wake up. Second chapter, Neha's alarm clock, and the third chapter, that is noses. And after completing the fourth chapter, I will start the grammar portion. So don't worry for grammar. Don't worry for grammar. I will teach you grammar after completing the English first. So try to complete it. Who is this? Aryavir. Sit properly. बैठ जाओ बेटा. थोड़ा सा तमीज रहे कि you are sitting in front of a teacher and you are sleeping on a bed. हाँ? Yes, sit properly. कल से अगर नेक्स्ट क्लास में अगर कोई बच्चा मुझे सोता हुआ दिख गया, मैं उसको यहाँ से लॉग आउट कर दूंगा. अभी तो मैं ये नहीं कह रहा हूं. अगले क्लास से मैं आपको यूनिफॉर्म में देखना चाहूंगा. वेयर योर यूनिफॉर्म, टेक चेयर एंड सिट प्रॉपर्ली. ड्रेस पहन के बैठोगे आप. ड्रेस पहन के बैठोगे और चेयर के साथ बैठोगे. नेक्स्ट क्लास, पेरेंट्स, दोस्त हु आर देयर विद द स्टूडेंट्स और with your children, I am requesting you in next class, I would like my students to come up with the school uniform and sit properly. They are sleeping, wandering here and there. How it's possible for a teacher to teach them? नेक्स्ट क्लास में अगर कोई बच्चा बिना यूनिफॉर्म का दिखा और बिना अगर ढंग से नहीं बैठा क्लास में, आपको आप ये कह रहे हो ना, जब यहाँ से वीडियो गायब होती तो आप सीधा ये कहते हो सर आपका चेहरा नहीं दिख रहा है. लाइकवाइज आपका दिख रहा है, आप सो रहे हो, यू आर स्लीपिंग ऑन द बेड एंड यू आर आस्किंग योर टीचर टू टीच यू. मैं आपको पढ़ा रहा हूं एंड यू आर स्लीपिंग ओवर देयर. मोबाइल को एक कंस्टेंट जगह पे रख दो ताकि आपका जो फिगर आ रहा है ना वो ब्लर ना हो. डू यू अंडरस्टैंड? क्लास 4, ये तो थर्ड चैप्टर था. इन फोर्थ चैप्टर में 2 ही बच्चों को पढ़ाऊंगा जो ढंग से रहेगा और जो यूनिफॉर्म में रहेगा, नहीं तो उसको मैं लॉग आउट कर दूंगा. यहाँ से दोबारा लिंक नहीं जाएगी आपके पास. आई एम वार्निंग यू. सो बी केयरफुल. इफ यू वांट टू स्टडी, स्टडी, डोंट डिस्टर्ब अदर्स. अगर पढ़ना है ढंग से पढ़ो, नहीं तो फिर लॉग इन मत हो. देयर आर मेनी स्टूडेंट्स, यू आर डिस्टर्बिंग. आप, मैं यहां से बोल रहा हूं सबको सुनाई दे रहा है, वैसे ही अगर आप बोलते हो तो सबको सुनाई देता है. मीन्स यू आर डिस्टर्बिंग द होल क्लास. Respect yourself and respect others. Now if you have any question, you can ask me. I am unlocking your mic. मैं mic यहाँ से आपका unlock कर रहा हूँ. If you have a question, ask me now. Yes, any question? Turn on your mic. One by one. Hardly you are having 1 minute. 1 minute के
No
समय
more
आता है.
question.
मतलब इतना समझाने के बावजूद भी आवाज आ रही है अभी. Just ask me the question. Fine, boys. You don't have any question. Now listen to me. I ask you that why the poet thinks.
What?
Yes.
What meaning? What meaning?
What meaning?
What?
Yes. Your voice is not clear. I can't hear you.
What meaning of spare, sir?
Spear. The meaning of spear means not to
Spare.
live. Yeah, not to live. I can't spare you. मैं आपको माफ नहीं कर सकता. Spare means.
Okay, sir.
Any other?
Thank you, sir.
See one sentence. मैं एक sentence बता रहा हूँ. Spare. I can't spare you. मैं आपको माफ नहीं कर सकता. या मैं आपको छोड़ नहीं सकता. And space.
नहीं कर सकते.
Yes. And space. Space means. What do you mean by space?